So this is a pretty rare occasion, worthy of taking video of. I think you call this stuff. I think you call this stuff snow. I'm not sure because I'm not very familiar with it, but yeah, I think that's what it's called. This shit is amazing. As you can see, there's snow everywhere except on my lawn. The snow doesn't like my lawn because we have this huge fucking tree there. But man, this shit is coming down. Look at the cars, man. Like, holy hell. Look at me. Look at my jacket. Shit. Ah. God damn, son. You gotta see this. I hope this isn't too large to send. Anyways.